Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration. Welcome to a brand new year of interior inspiration. If you're looking to refresh your living room in 2025, you've come to the right place. This year is all about blending comfort with cutting-edge style, and today, we're unveiling the best modern living room decorating ideas, the most stylish sofa designs, and top decor trends that will transform your space. Whether you love a sleek contemporary look or want to infuse cozy sophistication, we have everything you need to create a show-stopping living area. So sit back, grab a coffee, and let's explore the stunning trends that will redefine home decor in 2025. Straight lines are taking a back seat, and soft, flowing shapes are ruling modern living rooms. Curved sofas have taken over 2025 with their sculptural elegance, offering both aesthetics and comfort. Whether you choose a velvet crescent-shaped sofa or a plush boucle design, these pieces instantly create a sense of movement and luxury. They work beautifully in open-concept spaces, making the living room feel fluid and inviting. Pair a curved sofa with a round coffee table and sculptural lighting for a seamless, high-end look. Forget sterile, all-white spaces. 2025 is all about warm, earthy tones that create a natural, grounded feel. Think deep terracottas, rich browns, soft taupes, and warm greens. These colors bring an organic, calming ambience to your living space, making it feel like a sanctuary. Sofas in warm caramel leather, mossy green velvet, or cozy beige boucle are the perfect way to embrace this trend. Combine them with textured rugs, wooden accents, and artisanal ceramics for a perfectly balanced interior. Comfort takes center stage this year with oversized sectionals that invite you to sink in and relax. These large, deep-seated sofas are perfect for family gatherings or binge-watching your favorite shows. 2025 sectional designs feature built-in chaise lounges, asymmetrical shapes, and modular pieces that can be customized to fit any space. Opt for a neutral-colored sectional and layer it with chunky knit throws, oversized pillows, and soft lighting for an ultra-cozy vibe. Before we dive into the next trend, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite 2025 trend so far? And if you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest home decor trends. Your support helps this channel grow, and I love hearing your thoughts. Now, let's get back to transforming your living space. A coffee table is no longer just a place to set your drinks, it's a statement piece. This year, we're seeing stunning designs in organic stone, fluted wood, and even metal with sculptural bases. Think travertine, marble, or hand-carved wooden tables that add artistic depth to your living room. Opt for bold, irregular shapes that contrast with the softness of curved sofas. A sculptural coffee table instantly elevates the space, making it feel curated and luxurious. Say goodbye to harsh overhead lights. In 2025, lighting is all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere through layers. Think soft pendant lights, elegant floor lamps, and wall sconces that add depth to your space. Statement light fixtures with sculptural designs, like oversized rattan pendants or modern brass chandeliers, bring a designer touch. Dimmable options allow you to shift from bright and energizing to soft and intimate in seconds. This year is all about rich, touchable textures. Layer different materials like soft boucle sofas, plush velvet cushions, linen drapes, and woven wool rugs. The combination of various textures creates an inviting and visually dynamic living room. Even sleek, modern interiors benefit from the warmth of textured elements. Add ceramic vases, chunky knit throws, or rattan baskets for that perfect mix of refinement and coziness. Sustainability is a key focus for 2025. More homeowners are opting for furniture made from recycled materials, FSC-certified wood, and non-toxic finishes. Eco-friendly sofas featuring natural latex cushions, organic cotton fabrics, and upcycled wood are trending. But sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing style. Modern smart furniture, like coffee tables with built-in wireless charging or sofas with hidden storage, combines function with elegance. Upgrade your living space with pieces that are both chic and environmentally conscious. And that's a wrap on the best modern living room decorating ideas for 2025. From elegant curved sofas to sustainable home choices, these trends prove that style and comfort can go hand in hand. Which trend are you most excited to try in your living space? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with fellow decor lovers. Stay tuned for more amazing home styling ideas. Until next time, happy decorating!